Hey there, friend. Welcome back to your monthly market update. I'm Troy Sacco, your local broker from Generous Property Real Estate. And today I'm diving into the February 2026 numbers for Sarasota County. These are big picture county stats, so your specific neighborhood or community might be moving at its own pace. If you'd like me to pull up a truly custom analysis for your street, zip code, or subdivision, just reach out. My team and I are happy to do that for you at no charge. If you've been wondering whether this market is still moving or starting to give buyers a little bit of breathing room, you're going to love what I'm about to share. Sales are climbing in most segments, prices are moderating just enough to open doors, and inventory is finally giving everyone more choices. It feels like the market is settling into a healthier rhythm after the crazy years we've seen. Before we jump in, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button and the bell so you never miss these updates. They're your real-time edge, whether you're buying, selling, or just staying informed. Now let's start with single-family homes that so many of you call home. In February, we saw 625 closed sales. That's up 6.1% from the same month last year. More families and move-up buyers are saying yes. The median sale price settled at $475,000, down about 5% year over year. Now, I know price dips can sound scary, but here's the good news. It's making homes more attainable for local buyers who were feeling squeezed. With mortgage rates sitting right around 6.2 to 6.3%, down from nearly 6.7% a year ago, monthly payments are finally starting to feel a little less like a stretch. Inventory dropped to 3,420 active listings, which is a healthy 5-month supply. Homes are taking a median of 59 days to go into contract. That's up from 46 last year, but that extra time is giving buyers the chance to compare and negotiate without panic. Here's an interesting point. Cash buyers made up a solid 47% of those deals, which tells me investors and second home folks are still very much in the game. What does this mean for your next move? If you're selling, pricing smart and staging like it's showtime still wins the day. If you're buying, you've got real leverage right now. Do me a favor and drop a comment below. Are you seeing homes sit a little longer in your neighborhood? And don't forget to grab the full February report. The link is right in the description for all the charts. Super helpful. Now let's shift to townhomes and condos. Closed sales jumped a whopping 35.9% to 322 transactions. That's buyers chasing more attainable price points and that lock and leave lifestyle so many snowbirds and young professionals love. The median price eased to $330,000, down just 3.5%. Again, not a crash, just a gentle correction that's putting these properties back within reach. Inventory sits at 2,443 units, giving us an 8.6-month supply. That's buyer-friendly territory. Days to contract stretch to 76, up quite a bit, which means you're not competing in a feeding frenzy anymore. And cash transactions dominated at 68%. That's right, nearly 7 out of 10 deals closed without a mortgage. Investors and relocation buyers who can move fast are snapping these up. If you're a condo owner thinking about selling, highlight your updates and views. Buyers are picky, but they're out there in force. For those of you in the luxury lane, let's talk homes, condos, villas, and townhomes over $1 million. This segment is showing real strength, with 140 closed sales, up 32% year over year. The median sale price climbed to $1,580,000, a modest 1.6% gain. Inventory grew to 1,307 listings, pushing month supply to 11 months. Days on market before a contract stretched to 77 from just 23 last year. And sellers are receiving 92.4% of their original list price. That's down from 95.1%. Here's what the latest research is showing. High-end buyers are on a flight to quality. They're not just chasing square footage anymore. They want impact-rated glass, elevated construction for flood resilience, smart home features, and walkable locations near Bay Park or downtown. With rates stabilizing around 6.2% and Florida's economy humming thanks to healthcare and tourism growth, these buyers have time to be choosy. The good news? Sales volume is clearly up, which means serious demand is still there for the right property. So let's pull it all together in a few quick takeaways. For sellers, more inventory across the board means staging, fresh photos, and realistic pricing are non-negotiable. The days of multiple offers overnight are easing, but well-prepared homes are still moving and cash buyers are everywhere. For buyers, longer days on market equal real negotiating power. Whether you're eyeing a single-family home at $475,000 or a luxury spot over $1 million, you've got options. You've got room to ask for concessions, rate buydowns, or repairs, especially with rates hovering in the low sixes. Locally, our tourism rebound and strong job market are keeping demand steady, while nationally, inflation continues to cool. If the Fed trims rates later this year, like many expect, we could see even more activity by fall. Looking ahead, we're also keeping an eye on global developments. The ongoing war in the Middle East is creating some economic uncertainty that's pushing energy prices higher and fanning inflation concerns. This could slow the pace of future rate cuts a bit, but it's also reinforcing Florida's appeal as a safe, stable haven, which explains why we're still seeing so many cash buyers and relocation interest right here in Sarasota. Bottom line, this is a balanced, healthy market full of opportunity for those who move with confidence and work with a pro who knows the neighborhoods inside and out. Download the complete March 2026 report. The link is right there in the description and it's free and packed with every chart and stat. Thank you so much for watching. If this sparked even one idea for your move, give a thumbs up and drop your biggest takeaway in the comments. I read every single one. Subscribe for next month's update, and if you want those numbers dialed in for your exact community, my team is just a message or call away. We'd love to help. I'll see you in the next one, and remember, the more you focus on the good, the more good comes into your life. We'll see you around town.